Okay, today's the day I'm going to Canada. I'm going to cross the Rainbow Bridge. I spent the night in Buffalo, New York last night. Really cool. Nice little boondocking situation. Got to go to a car show. Love that too. But anyways, so going to go to Canada and we're going to go all the way around Lake Ontario. But our first stop is going to be Fort Erie. Then we'll go to Niagara Falls. And we've got a couple really cool provincial, otherwise known as state parks. And I get to share all this with you. So come on, let's do this together. Okay, so some things you need to know before you cross the border. Number one, bring your passport. Gotta. If you have a pet, bring all their medical records. They're gonna need proof of vaccination, all that kind of stuff. You gotta have it and make it readily available. Like I stick mine just right in on top of my visor, so I can just pick it up real quick. Number two, be truthful. Make sure you answer their questions truthfully. Things you cannot bring across the border, guys. Don't bring any pew-pews or any kind of weaponry of any sort. Not a good idea. Canadians, not a big fan of that. So, or you don't want to bring any, you know what I'm talking about? So if you have a prescription or something like that, make sure you bring your prescription and the bottles with your medicine, things like that. You just want to make sure you are 100% on the up and up, because you know what? Getting across to Canada is one thing, but getting back into the United States is a whole nother ball of wax. So yeah, just be very careful. Read all what you need to do, and of course, you know, some of these bridges have tolls, so make sure you have some cash on hand and go from there. So let's check out my experience crossing the border from US to Canada. All right, so I made it through border security. Whew, yes. Wasn't too worried. Actually was really excited and asked me a lot of questions about my Winnebago. So, you know, hey, he's all excited. He's like, how much did you pay for that thing? Where are you going? How long have you had it? Things like that. Great questions. But you know, the first place you got to go when you cross the border into Canada, you got to go to a Tim Hortons. So, you know what Tim Hortons is? Take a look.
So far?
It's been awesome. It's a little warm.
Yeah, it's a little warm, yeah.
You're a good driver.
Thanks.
Okay, so apparently I'm gonna go underneath the falls because I need to. Let's go check it out. All right, they're giving people ponchos. This means I'm probably gonna get wet. How many of these things do you hand out a day?
I don't know.
Thousands, hundreds, millions? Okay, we'll go with that. Got my poncho. It's one ply. It's not two ply. All right. Forwards and backwards. I'm ready.
Bring you outside to our two-story observation platform for your afternoon shower. Please watch your step exiting.
I'm in a tunnel. So I'm under Niagara Falls, in a tunnel, somewhere in Ontario. Someone come find me. That's all I ask. Okay, it's official. I'm wet. Lots of mist here. And I got to see May the mist and lots of really cool people in these tunnels. We are underneath Niagara Falls. So now I'm outside Niagara Falls and you're gonna see what it looks like out here. Okay, so I'm here at Fort George, which is right outside Niagara Falls. Really cool historical town. Lots of neat stuff to learn about the War of 1812. Let's go check it out. Okay, so that was really cool. I learned a bunch of really cool history stuff that I had no idea about. Talk about Great Lake history, War of 1812, things that were going on back then. Really neat stuff. And they always say those who don't know their history are doomed to repeat it. So I'm gonna learn more about it. Okay, let's hit the road. There's so many really cool things to do over here in the Niagara Falls area. So let's go do something else. You ready? Did you have any idea there's so many wineries here in Canada, specifically Ontario? Let's go check out this one. This is called the Culinary Winery. There's so many, not culinary, not calamari, culinary. Okay, so just so you know, they do tastings by appointment. If you want to have a glass of wine or bottle of wine, no problem with that, but gotta make sure you check out and read all the information. Okay, that was delicious. Let's go check out another wine. Okay, time for the next vineyard. It is Ravine. Let's go check it out. Okay, so the food's amazing. Let's just start with that. If you love amazing food, you gotta come here. And the wine, I suggest you try the unoaked Chardonnay. It was just delicious, delicious. Okay, so once again, this was a list of really cool local vineyards that was given to me by a waitress, ironically, at this restaurant in Niagara Falls. And she said, you know what, make sure that, when you go around, you start going to all these different wineries, go to some of the local ones, and I'm like all about spending my money locally and helping local economy. So this is definitely one you should check out. It's called Ravine. Fantastic. Once again, food's amazing. And they're doing like a fireworks thing later on tonight, so which means I'm gonna probably leave because Rosie's not gonna like this. But the wines are awesome and the food, delicious. Hear that train? Guess where I am? I'm at Darlington Provincial Park here in Ontario on the other side of Lake Ontario, which is fun. So I've been down by Niagara Falls. I went around and did some other stuff all the way around Toronto. And now I'm past Toronto and I'm here at Darlington Provincial Park. So we're gonna check this out for the next couple days and see what all they have to offer. Really cool, but the lake is right there. That's the lake, Lake Ontario. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, and by the way, Starlink has been a blessing. So I know, I've been thinking, do I need it? Do I really want to get it? This is the Generation 3, and it has been so awesome. So yeah, learning how to do Starlink on this trip, it's definitely helping, but look at this open sky. What? Oh yeah, up there, beyond those clouds, nothing but satellites, baby. Nothing but satellites. So Rosie has found her happy little seat. She loves this. It turns into like a love seat so we can sit together. I know. She's so sweet. She's loving this trip. It's a lot of fun. All right, good morning. It's a sunny day. It's gorgeous out, and I'm still here on Lake Ontario, actually on the northern side of Lake Ontario. I'm gonna be going to a couple places today, checking out some things in the local town, and of course checking out this awesome provincial park, at Darlington Provincial Park. So let's take a ride, see what we can find. I'm sure there's some stuff we can get into. Okay, so there's a really nice camp store here, and you can get just about anything you want. Some food and some ice cream and some toys, games, plushies, you name it. It's like a typical camp store, but it's really nice and they've got great information. And so you want to find out all the rules and regulations. And by the way, there are definite rules and regulations here, so make sure you guys read them. I keep pointing at you, like, you know it's you. I'm talking to you. But anyways, so every campground has rules. You might want to take a look and make sure that you can follow those, because here they have some steep and hefty fines. Oh yeah. Go take a hike and go down the beach and see what's going on. Maybe we can see some nature along the way. Got lots of squirrels, lots of birds, and I'm wearing some bug spray. Just saying. Canada still has bugs. To the shoreline. It's a little loud. It's gorgeous out. It's a beautiful day on Lake Ontario. How cool is this? Really nice. I love the Great Lakes. You guys gotta come here. Check out Darlington Provincial Park in Ontario. Right on the water. Fantastic. Hello, Lake Ontario. Okay, it's time to walk back to the campsite. Had a lovely little hike on the beach and, get hunker down, have some dinner. It looks like it's going to rain tonight, so got to get ready for that and take Rosie out. She's, not going to like being in the rain all the time. She's not a big fan of storms, so, just got to coax her out a little bit and make sure she does her business. And then I can just relax and enjoy the Winnebago Echo. Yay! Okay, on my top list of things to do when you're in Canada, one is go to Canadian Tire, because it's not what you think it is. I also want to say that I did not touch on the exhibits that I wasn't supposed to. I didn't jump on anything, and I did want to climb in a couple planes, but I didn't do that. This might be a lead-based paint.